Hi, in this demonstration I'll teach you how to find the feeder class for a POWL list. The first thing I'll do is I'll fire up a POWL list. What I'll try to find is the feeder class for this expiring quotations. So firstly, I'll go to my technical help by right clicking on the list. Then you get the technical help for the WebDriven application. Browse down the list here and you'll find the application ID. This is what we need to go further into our investigation. So I'll click OK here. Go to a transaction called POWL_query R, and then use the position button and paste in the application ID into the application. So what you see here is all the queries that are listed in this application. So obviously this doesn't really say much because it can be multiple of these. So what we can do is I'll teach you how to use these categories to figure out where and which one it is. So what you see here, this is listed as categories. So you have category number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then you have query number 1 and 2, so on for the next one, 1, 2, 3, etc. So what we can do here is I have the category sequence, and then I have the query sequence number. Go down to query number 1, or category number 1, and sequence number 1. So this is the expiring document quotations, this one. Then I can go to a transaction called POWL_query, paste in the query ID, and then you see the POWL type. This POWL type is used to contain the feeder class. So I'll go to a transaction called POWL_type, use my position again and paste it in, and then I've found my feeder class. One thing more to teach you is if this list here, for example, was as a tab, so I'll just change this to a tab strip instead, then it doesn't use the same values anymore. But then in this POWL_query R, we have one more to look at. This is the tab sequence. So what you see here as well is that this expiring documentation has tab sequence number 1. So this is the one that we're going to use. Thank you.